A few more issues. Having seen all the variations of the primary types, let us take a look at some more related issues. A. We saw earlier that size of an integer is compiler dependent. This is even true in chars and floats. Also, depending upon the microprocessor for which the compiler targets its code, the accuracy of floating point calculations may change. For example, the result of 22.0 divided by 7.0 would be reported more accurately by VC++ compiler. So, result of this float, that is 22.0 divided by 7.0, is reported more accurately by Visual C++ compiler as compared to Turbo C++ compiler. So Visual C++ compiler is more accurate. This is because Turbo C++ targets its compile code to 8088, 8086, that is 16-bit microprocessors. So this Turbo C++ compiler, it targets its code to 8088 and 8086 microprocessors. Since these microprocessors do not offer floating point support, since these microprocessors do not offer floating point support, Turbo C or Turbo C++ performs all float operations using a software piece called floating point emulator. So floating point emulator is used for performing all float operations. This emulator has limitations and hence produces less accurate results. Also, this emulator becomes a part of exe file, thereby increasing its size. So this emulator become part of exe file, thereby increasing its size. In addition to the increased size, there is a performance penalty since this bigger code would take more time to execute. So bigger codes take more time to execute. If we look at ranges of chars and ints, there seems to be one extra number on negative side. So if you look at ranges of chars and ints, there seems one extra number on negative side. This is because a negative number is always stored as 2's complement of binary. For example, let us see how minus 128 is stored. Firstly, binary of 128 is calculated. So which is 100, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then its ones complement is obtained, that is 0, double 1, double 1, double 1, 1. A ones complement is obtained by changing all zeros to ones and ones to zeros. Finally, 2's complement of this number, that is 1, double 0, double 0, double 0, 0, gets stored. A 2's complement is obtained by adding 1 to 1's complement. Thus for minus 128, 1 double 0 double 0 double 0 0 gets stored. This is an 8-bit number and it can be easily accommodated in char. As against this plus 128 cannot be stored in char because its binary 0 double 1 0 1 double 0 double 0 double 0 0 leftmost zeros is for positive sign is 9-bit number. However, plus 127 can be stored as binary, turns out to be 8-bit number. So plus 127 is a 8-bit number and this was 9-bit number. Now see,